facilities across the country. That is why I believe the 9th sector has been identified. Productivity and resilience in agriculture, employment and scaling, inclusive human resource development and social justice, manufacturing and services, urban development, energy security, infrastructure, innovation, research and development, and next generation reforms. So these are the 9 verticals in which this budget will give full emphasis and to make every citizen empowered for their capacity building, efficiency enhancement, so that they could contribute to the faster growth of economy in the country. Every citizen will have a big role to play to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat in the next 25 years. So I believe this is the reason why 11.11 lakhs crore has been allocated for capital expenditure. Capital expenditure means infrastructure growth across the country. And you know, it is very easy to make the expenditure in the revenue sector. But capital expenditure is a Himalayan tax. Every state of the country will have to play a very, very important role in it. State and center. They will have to move hand in hand. It is all kind of integrated effort. And also, Jan Bhagidari, people's participation. People's participation and integrated effort of the center state, then they could create the infrastructure which is very much relevant to our faster growth. Communication, connectivity, all the institutions, whatever, for the poor people needs to be upgraded their lifestyle. Whatever, education, standard of education and facility needs to be required for the skilling of our youth and also for the standard of education and whatever support is required for the empowering of women to make them self-sufficient, self-reliant. And I believe this is the way the budget has very clearly given an opportunity to all the citizens of the country, all sections, whether it is MSME, middle class, all sections has been taken into confidence. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. No section of the society is left out. And look at the opportunity that we are getting in the last 10 years. In Northeast, earlier, this particular area was totally neglected. It was totally in the darkness. Nobody has any expectation about Northeast. Northeast is always considered to be the place where all the time troublesome law and order, deteriorating law and order situation, bomb blast, killing, kidnapping. This was the only identification had been put into the personality of Northeast. But look at the transformation in the last 10 years. Because of Honorable Prime Minister's special interest, special attention, special effort, special support, special policy. Now in the last 10 years' time, 5.2 lakhs crore had been spent for the infrastructural growth of the entire Northeast. And as a result, in all the sector, now Northeast become a preferred destination for education, for tourism, for investment. So this is, I believe, as it is always known that Northeast is the hotspot of biodiversity and full of greenery. and our flora and fauna is always attractive for national and international tourists. And this is the most resourceful part of the country, which was never been discovered by earlier government. But it is Modi ji who has discovered it and declared it for the people of the country. This is the Ashtalasmi of the country. This is the growth engine of the country. If Northeast grows, Northeast come up with exemplary success story, then definitely India is going to become the powerful nation. So that is why this massive amount had been spent, and that too with quality spending, quality implementation, quality monitoring, and quality kind of responsibility. This is how Honorable Prime Minister from the front, he visited more than 60 times to this part of the country and taken the stock of the latest situation of growth. And he has directed all the Union ministers, whether it is Union Minister of State or Cabinet, and all the senior officials of the Government of India, don't compel Northeasterner to come to Delhi again and again by spending thousands of rupees, by spending weeks after weeks in the hotel. Please go and visit the Northeast physically and interact with the people and try to understand their mind and hope.
আপুনি চাই আছে ND24 সৰ্বশ্ৰেষ্ঠ নহয় সৰ্বোত্তমৰ দৌৰত।